I'm Rosaba from 10th class. I'm the scientist of Scholar Techno School. Welcome to our science fair. I will demonstrate to you different images formed by concave mirror. Material required for this experiment is concave mirror, V stand, measuring tape, candle, matchbox, screen. These are the materials we need for this experiment. Procedure. This is the concave mirror. It is in curved shape mirror. I am going to place this concave mirror on base stand. This point is called as pole. This point at 10 cm we have focal point and at 20 cm we have center of curvature. This is the candle. It is going to act like an object today for me. When we place this candle at different distance, the different images will form on the screen. So are you ready to see the images? Okay. First example I will give you. I am going to place this candle at 10 cm. Whenever the candle is at 10 cm, which is focal point, the image will form at infinity. So I am lighting the candle. And we will keep the screen at infinity and we will see the image. Are you able to see, ma'am? The image that is forming on the screen, that is inverted and enlarged. First example, did you understand, ma'am? Okay, I will give you second example. I am going to place this candle at 15 cm, which is between focal point and center of curvature. Whenever the object is between focal point and center of curvature, the image will form B on C. So we will keep the screen on B on C and we will see the image on the mirror. The image that is forming on the screen, that is inverted. In both cases, we have observed that the image that was forming on the screen, that was inverted and enlarged. We can conclude that we are able to form the image with the help of concave mirror on the screen. The specialization of this concave mirror is that the thing that image that is forming by this mirror, the image will form enlarged and inverted. You can see as the image that was forming on the screen, that was inverted. And these kinds of mirror are used for makeup, shaving and hair salons on the headlights of cars. Thank you, ma'am.